Hey guys, here today. Today I'm going to actually go ahead and show you how to install Windows and how to create your USB bootable for the Windows 10. A lot of people they're asking how we can actually install the Windows 10. Do we need to buy a new one if we already had a Windows? Well, so the question's answer would be like, no, you don't need to buy a Windows again because Windows 10, the way that it's actually designed, the product key is built in on your computer. So you don't need to actually buy a new one if you already had a Windows 10 and it was activated. All you need to do is go into the Microsoft website, install a tool, create your own USB, and then you can actually use that towards installation of the new Windows. So I'm going to actually show you how to do that. So it's easy. You guys just going to go and Google something, which is called Windows 10 Media Creation Tool. So you just actually search for that. So make sure when you're searching, just pick up this option here. So it says download Windows 10 disk image. Make sure you're just checking the web page to make sure it's a correct option for you. And then when you choose that, there's going to be an update option, which if you have a Windows 10 and you want to update it to the latest version, you can actually just use that. If you don't have the Windows 10 and you want to install that again on a different computer, or maybe in the same computer that you're using, what you're using, it's going to be the tool that you need to download from here. So you click on the download tool. After you click on that, there's going to be a new media creation tool installed or downloaded on the Chrome or any other browsers that you're using. All you need to do is running that media tool. Perfect. So now we have the program opened, and it's actually takes a little bit to just get the program ready to go. And during that process, I'm just going to actually explain a couple of notes that you might need to know about creating the Windows 10. So there are a couple of options available for the Windows 10 installation. One, it would be the ISO file, and the other one would be a USB media. That you can use any of those ones when you do that during the installation. I will show you how to do that. So obviously, to compare to similar to the other applications, it asks you for the policies, so they can actually provide that to you. So any kind of like privacy statements that you need to be looking for the Windows 10, you just actually look into that, and then you just obviously need to accept that. Otherwise, you can't get the program installed. So you just go accept, and then it takes a little bit more to just actually get that to the next step. These are all depends on your computer speed, your internet speed, and obviously if you have the faster one, you would get that for sure faster. So okay, so now we got to this point that is actually like giving us to the upgrade your PC or create your own media tool. So that's what we want to go ahead and choose that. If you want to upgrade your computer, you can use that for sure. But right now we're just going to go and create a new USB file, DVD or ISO file. So we're just going to go next. And now it's coming and asking me what languages that you want to use. So you can actually use the recommended options, or if you want, you can just choose that. Whatever language you want to use, you just actually use to uncheck mark this use recommended options, go choose your language, and then you just choose the Windows edition. Obviously there's only Windows 10, and then you just actually use Windows 64 or 32-bit for the installation. Normally any computers now they actually all support 64-bit. You can actually go ahead and use that, except if it's a different system that it actually supports 32 bits only, you would actually choose the 32-bit. You can actually choose both so that your media will work on both options. For now, we're just going to go on 64-bit, and then we're just going to try that. So we're just going to go use the recommended options, go next. And then now it's asking you want to actually create the ISO file, or you want to actually create your USB flash drives. So at least you need to have like a 8 GB USB flash drives. You can buy it from any retail stores around you, and then you can use that towards the installation. Or you can actually have the ISO file and then use the ISO file later on and then upgrade it to the USB. So for now, we're just going to go USB flash drive and you go next. And then it's asking you what the USB that you want to use there. So right now we have a couple of options in here. That's my hard drive, and this is an actual USB that I connected to. So I'm just going to choose the USB flash drives and I go next. So this process kind of takes a little bit until it's downloaded properly, and after the download finish, it will actually like verify the download, and then after that it will actually kind of like a unzip or open that into the USB and make it ready for us. So we're gonna wait until that's gonna finish. Perfect. Now, as you can see, it's already downloaded and it's actually trying to verify your download, make sure everything is actually corrected and correct downloaded. So let's see how long does that take. So that's actually finished. Now it's creating your Windows 10 media tool. So that's going to take another like a couple of minutes to get that going, and it's going to be ready to go. Okay, so we are almost there. It says the USB flash drive is ready. So this is going to be our new Windows 10 media that we're going to actually use that to install the Windows 10 on our devices that are actually supporting 64-bit. If you liked our video, please go ahead and then like the video, and you can subscribe for getting to see more of these videos coming up. I will show you in a different video that how we can actually install the Windows 10 on your computer as well. Hope you liked the video again. Thank you so much for having us. Thank you.